These are Biafrans, United States of Biafra citizens that come from all over the world. So we are in Finland. We have declared the independence of the United States of Biafra. That's why we are here. Presumed arrest. Simon Eber has not done anything illegal except fighting for our freedom. So, if Simon Eber is doing anything wrong, all these people here will not be here. So there is nothing as far as incitement that Simon Eber is doing. All of us here, we are here in our own volition. Nobody has told us anything. Now Simon is not with us, but we have declared our independence right in Finland. And Simon was not there. So it's not about Simon. It is about people. The Nigerian terrorist state that reintegrates and rehabilitates non-terrorists into the military, into the police, into the army, and sending them to Biafra land to kill us. That is what Samantha is trying to do. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, my people, I am so happy. Why? Because people are now getting the news. The news, what gives me joy is truthfulness and honesty, consistency and dedication, which Simon Biafran Prime Minister possess. And what Chief of Staff said here is nothing but the truth. It is painful if you are not from the side that she's speaking in support of. But if you are from the part that she's speaking against, you may feel pain. Yeah, you may not be happy with it because it's not saying what you want her to say, or she's not gullible like some of you, want her to be. One thing you need to understand is that anybody that have pure heart and clean mind will never ever find any fault with what she just said. But those of them crying and mourning about it are those who feel that, oh, after we have spent all our strength to take PM Tamanekba away, and this lady is here saying, putting things the way it should supposed to be, is a very big threat to them, and they're now planning on how to also get her arrested, according to Mega Gift, which I'm not going to flash the nonsense post write-up he just made a few hours ago, in line with what he have also said in the past. He's not relevant, but why I'm bringing his issue or sometimes his post is for Biafrans who are watching my video, who are following me here, to understand where the problem lies. You may see Nigerian government as a problem, but one of your number one problem before Nigerian government are those that answers the same name, speak the same language with you, who have different opinion from what you believe on. They think that by buying you, we end in anything that they claim that they don't like about you. That is why they put Mazi Kanu where Mazi Kanu is to them, and they have succeeded in putting PM the same place, but not the same thing like Mazi Kanu, because this one is Europe and the other one is in Africa. Some people are questioning, who is behind. Some people always ask that question: who is behind Mazi Kanu's arrest? Who is behind his kidnapping? What is going on? Why our people are like this and like that? That question has been answered. Why or how is because you can see those that are rejoicing over their invitation or arrest or whatever that's going on in with Mazi's Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. You can see how happy they are. That tells you that the same group of people are the ones secretly worked against Mazi Kanu and make sure that they kidnap him. You don't need to ask any other question about it. The problem and the people behind it is in your presence. That is just the fact. I'm not saying you should buy anybody. I don't support any violence. I don't pray for violence. I don't want anything, criminal or crime at all. I'm not in support of it. What I'm trying to tell you is that self-determination, freedom movement, and self-defense has nothing to do with crime. It is not. Can we agree on that? If yes, then what is the problem then? Because people are acting as if it is an offense, it's an abominable thing to do. It is not. It is even a crime for you not to fight for your freedom. That is where it is. So it's not as if that when you say, like, as I am an Igbo person, Igbo Biafran, and you for example, you are from Oduduwa land. What I'm saying now is what I will say to anybody fighting against Oduduwa people. I'm not from Yoruba land, but I cannot joke with anybody's freedom. I'm not, even if the holding Oduduwa under Igbo people is something that many people will prefer. I will be the person that tell you that's not how it's done. You have to let them be, because we are all human beings. So I cannot support any evil because that evil is favoring me. No, I don't like nobody. I don't think that anybody, any sensible human being, would like to see people killing each other, kidnapping each other, committing crime. That's not how to live. God did not create us for that. But if you pretend that you are against evil and at the same time you allow people to use you to commit evil, it simply means that you are evil.
I understood very, very deep that DOS are the group of people that sold Mazi Kanu to Nigeria government. Before they say, let us see how Mazi Simon Ekpa will declare Biafra in Finland on December 2nd. Let us see. Until they arrest Mazi Simon Ekpa. They are now done it that Mazi Simon Ekpa want to run. He has scam people money. He want to run with people money. Donation people. You don't thief money. This one and this one. The disciple of Simon Ekpa said that they must declare Biafra in Finland. And they did it. DOS, you turn again. Say Biafrans are not in support of Mazi Simon Ekpa disciple declaration of Biafra in Finland. Can't you see that there is something very, very deep? But if you don't get sense, you will not understand the strategies they are using to blackmail Mazi Simon Ekpa so that people will start hating Mazi Simon Ekpa. Mazi Simon Ekpa said it, and he made it very clear that Mazi Kanu is his leader. That whenever Mazi Kanu come out, any instruction that Mazi Kanu give him, he must follow the instruction. Now, why are you disowning Simon Ekpa again? You want to confuse people and tell people that Mazi Simon Ekpa want to overthrow Nnamdi Kanu. I'll be waiting. Some people are not reasoning very fast. They don't reason very fast. Nigeria government are now supporting DOS. Anything that DOS said now, the Shahara reporters will post it. Channel television will post it.
Exactly.
AIT will post it. Can't you see that this
My people, I wanted to say something before I now stop on this video, and this is my first time of playing the video while recording it, because I just want us to understand one thing. What this our brother said here is exactly what I wanted to comment, but it will not stop me from putting my comment, but it may be somehow related to what he just said. But let me add this: Biafrans are not gullible. Biafran people, if you want to, because what DOSS actually want is a group of people that they will convince and suck their money. Like you make they will just want to make you to believe on them, which that was what they have been using Mazangano to achieve. But Mazangano understand who they are. That's why you keep on telling people, don't do this. Wait, I'm still looking for 100 men. I'm still looking for 100. He knows people that was with him, because they are no longer with him. They have sold him, and Master cannot understand that these people are capable of doing anything. At the point of his kidnap, he made a broadcast where he said, "It is time to separate the chaff from the wheat." Most of you have come across that video, and that broadcast was not none of them are playing that broadcast. They can cut all the videos of Manogano today, but they don't touch that broadcast, because that broadcast Manogano sounds as if everything that's going to happen to him has been played in his presence, and he watched them like a movie. Then he came out to make such broadcast, and that broadcast is something. If you would listen to that, you understand what is playing out today. And I'm happy that Biafrans are connecting the dots, taking note of what is playing out. I am happy. And that is why you need to share the video and like and comment and subscribe, so that people will hear everything that's going on. It is you and I that will tell our story. Let me say it before I close. This platform does not support anything violence or criminality or war. I don't. But what is going on now, if you keep quiet, it will be an act of genocide. And for you to save life, you need to voice out, not for war, but for people to take precaution and to understand what is playing out to save their life. God bless you, and bye-bye for now.